Hello everyone. Today we are on the verge of actual scientific disclosure, and some people claim it has just happened. Those of you who have watched the UFO related news from several weeks ago may remember that the team of astronomers led by Swedish scientist Dr Beatriz Villaroel have written 2 scientific papers on their discovery of what was posited to be artificial objects reflecting light recorded by astronomers on old photographic plates in the 1950s. The current news is that the research has now been peer-reviewed and published in a journal titled Scientific Reports, belonging to the group of scientific journals led by the famous Nature itself. Let's take a look at the findings and conclusions. The scientists re-examined photographic plates of the sky recorded by the Palomar Observatory in the 1950s before our species launched any satellites. The observations led to a discovery of multiple aligned flashes of light, which appeared and vanished within a single long exposure, so basically point-like events which were absent a few minutes after they were recorded. Each of the flashes was confirmed using 2 independent digital scans of the plates, eliminating noise from the scanners, dust or chemical defects of the plates. The alignments of the light spots were not random, and they actually showed a 3.9 sigma or standard deviation significance, which hints at something too precise to be a random event. The scientists also carried out a test comparing the area inside and outside of Earth's shadow in space, and confirmed that the flashes depended on sunlight and were its reflections, with 22 sigma confidence, which is orders of magnitude above the strictest scientific standards for certainty. When the Earth blocked the sunlight, the events disappeared completely. Now, on to the main conclusion. The authors of the paper concluded that these observations matched the reflections of flat, mirror-like objects present at geosynchronous orbit, 36,000 kilometers above the Earth. They ruled out all conventional explanations, so meteors, cosmic rays, atmospheric phenomena, and material defects. The most striking event occurred on 27th of July 1952, which was the famous UFO wave observed over Washington, D.C. An accompanying analysis also revealed significant statistical correlation, approximately 3 sigma or standard deviations, between the events observed on the photographic plates and nuclear tests on Earth. This corroborates with the long-standing theory present in the UFO world, which states that UFOs or UAPs are drawn to nuclear material. One of the hypotheses even states that these objects may have started appearing as humanity entered the atomic age. The conclusion here is that we may have observed technosignatures of objects made not by nature but by an intelligent force behind it, operating in our near-Earth space at least a good few years before we reach the capacity to launch even the most primitive satellites. This would strongly suggest non-human intelligent presence in our direct neighborhood as the most plausible explanation. And this is the most concise presentation of the discovery that I could offer. So, we may have just heard scientific disclosure. What are your thoughts on these observations and findings, dear viewers? Let me know in the comment section down below. Meanwhile, stay tuned for more news from the UFO world. Thank you for watching, like and subscribe if you enjoyed the content, and I will see you soon in a new video. Take care.